Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this video is sponsored by Mslynn hair, and they sent me this wig. I think this is 22 inches, I'm not sure, but it is BODYWAVE HD lace 13x4, mostly parting space in the middle, not really much on the sides. But yeah, in the box they sent me, it says actually, okay, they said it's 24 inches. I might be mistaken, but that's what it says on the box, so I guess it's 24 inches. Anyways, so what they sent me inside the package, they sent me some stocking cap, which I didn't need to use because I already have one on my head. Oh, by the way, this is 180 density. I don't remember if I said that, but it is. They sent me some lashes. My hands are a little bit messy from like doing so much, but it's okay. Ooh, they sent me some baby hair comb, so edge brush, some press on nails. I should have put them on because my nails are looking very whack right now. Some Mslynn headband, some combs, which I should have used to comb out my curls, but it's fine. And this little pouch, I don't know what's in it. Oh, okay, so it's a pouch with some makeup brush inside, and that's pretty much it. Now if you guys want to see how I got this style, then definitely please keep on watching. So with this wig, the moment I took this wig out of the packaging, I realized one thing that I thought would have been an issue from my install, and it's the fact that it's so small. Like, it's actually very small. Like, for my head, it is. If you have a smaller head, then it will work, but I'm gonna just put it on my head so you guys can see. Like, right here is too, like, it's too tight. There's not much of a stretch. So I know it's going to give me a little problem. It's going to be pulling on the sides, but let's see what can be done. But apart from that, the quality of the hair is good. The lace seems like it will be easy to blend. Seems more like, normally when they have the jagged edges, then that's how you know that it's actually real HD. See, let me put it back on my hand. Okay, so it's definitely giving me HD lace. So blending the lace will not be a problem. It's just the fact that it's not stretchy. That's the only issue that I know I'm going to be having. Nevertheless, I'm just going to go ahead and continue with my install. I'm going to be spraying my even tinted lace spray in the shade light warm brown, and then pretty much just continue with the install. I don't know what style I'm doing as yet. I feel like I haven't been styling my wigs lately, because it's almost like I'm rushing to just get the video out. But yeah.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me.
Okay guys, so this is pretty much the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Once again, I would like to thank Mslynn here for sponsoring this video. The links to the wig will be down in the description box. If you guys want to purchase it, definitely check that out. But yeah, this is the final look and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.